I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I can never let go. And I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you.